Welcome to this chair yoga that you can do anywhere really, at your office or at your home office, whenever you feel like you really need a break from your desk work. And I'll take my chair outside, and if you can do that, if it's easy, then do take your chair outside too. You'll get two in one, a yoga session and some fresh air. So let's get started. You want to sit towards the edge of your chair with your feet about hip-width distance apart, firmly resting on the floor. And then interlace the fingers behind your back. Bring the hands to the left side of your torso or of your waist. Inhale, prepare, reaching the crown of the head up, and then exhale, lean the head towards your left shoulder and hold here. Breathing deeply in and out through the nose. And then inhale, come back to the center, switch the position of your hands, bringing them to the right side of your waist. Inhale, prepare, and then as you exhale, lean the right ear towards your right shoulder. And then inhale, come back to the center, and then release the bind, bring the hands onto the knees. And as you inhale, arch your spine, lifting the chest, the heart up, and the head up, looking up to the sky or to the ceiling. And then exhale, dome the back, rounding it, and draw the chin to the chest. Inhale, arch, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, dome, chin to chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, dome. Two more times. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to neutral and interlace the fingers behind your head. As you inhale, lift the chest, opening the elbows out to the side. Press the head back into your hands. And then exhale, bring the elbows together and curl in, doming the back. Inhale, open. Exhale, curl in. Inhale, open. Exhale, curl in. Two more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then inhale to neutral. And exhale, release. Bring the right hand to the left edge of your chair. And as you inhale, extend the left arm up and lean over to the right side. And then inhale, come back through the center. Bring the left hand to the back of your chair and then turn to the left and gaze over the left shoulder and hold. And then release and switch sides. Left hand comes to the edge of your chair, to the right side. As you inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, lean over to the left. Inhale, come back up, then bring the right hand to the back of your chair and then turn to the right and gaze over the right shoulder. And then inhale, come back to the center, and exhale, release. Extend the right leg straight. And then from here, start lowering down until you feel a stretch. Maybe you can bring the fingertips to the floor and then fold from here. So feeling that stretch at the back of your right leg. And then inhale, come back up, cross the right ankle just over the left knee. Inhale here, and then as you exhale, fold towards your right leg. And the farther you fold, the more of a stretch you will feel in the outer part of your hip. So find a depth that works for you. And then inhale, come up. And exhale, release, switching side. Right foot on the floor, left leg stretches out. And then fold forward, reaching down to the mat until you feel a stretch at the back of your left leg. Inhale, come back up, and then cross the left ankle over the right knee. Prepare. And with the next exhale, fold towards the right leg. And then inhale, come back up. And exhale, release. Then separate the feet a little bit wider apart. And then as you exhale, fold forward, bringing the right hand to the left foot or ankle, and then extend the left arm up. And breathe. And then release and switch sides directly. Left hand grabs the right ankle, and then inhale, extend the right arm up. And then release, bringing the hands onto the knees. As you inhale, press up to lift to a seated position. Then interlace the fingers behind your back. As you inhale, prepare, lifting the chest, lifting the heart. And then exhale, fold forward, reaching the arms behind your back. And then relax the upper body, relax the neck and head. And breathe here. Inhale, come all the way back up. And exhale, release. Now for this last one, we're actually gonna stand up and then walk to the back of your chair, or just turn your chair. And then from here, using the chair to balance, bend the right knee and grab your foot or your ankle. And then bring the right heel towards your bottom, pointing the right knee towards the floor. And make sure you don't overarch the lower back, but instead engage the belly, knee pointing down, holding the chair for balance, and breathe. And then exhale, release, and switch sides. Grab the left ankle, pointing the knee down to the earth. Engage the belly until you want to feel that stretch at the front of your thigh. So squeezing the ankle or the heel towards your bottom. Engage the belly. Tuck the tailbone under just a little bit, really to feel that stretch here. And then release. And you're done. You're ready to sit back and return to whatever you are doing. Thanks so much for joining me for this quick break, and I hope to see you in another one of my classes.